back with another video. I'm so happy because my package came. My new vlogging camera. Yay! This is the Sony a5100 or 5100. And I'm so excited because now I can do Vlogmas and yeah, continue to make good content. You know, if you hear noise in the background, it's because they Andre's playing the 2K. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make an unboxing video here. I ordered this off of Amazon. It was during the Black Friday sale, so it was $3.98, and then with tax it came out to be like $4.18. So yeah, and I got 2-day shipping, so it came pretty quick. I've been hearing a lot of mixed reviews about it, like overheating and stuff, so I plan to like buy like another battery because I don't know how it's going to work, but I got it. I wanted to get the Canon G7x, but it's way too expensive, and this will just have to do for now. So yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox this baby. If I can open it. Probably needs to be charged, but so as soon as you open it, you have the warranty packets here, stuff like that, packets on how to use it. And then when you open it up, there's two sections. So this first section, you have what is this called? A strap to hook onto the camera. Then you have the battery outlet plug, the battery, and hopefully that is not too bad. And then this is a USB cord. And then on the other side, you have the actual camera. And I didn't buy like the little bundle kits or anything like that. So just got the essentials. Camera. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Ooh. This is so nice. Look at it. Let's see. Ooh, I cannot wait. You guys, I'm gonna be vlogging everywhere. The reason why like I don't vlog so much, I know like somebody had asked me to vlog more, but like this camera is too darn big. I have the Canon T6i. I used to have the T3, but I have the Canon T6i and it is way too big, so this will be a little bit better, a little bit more compact for me. So yeah, so it has the flip up screen that everybody is like into now on YouTube, and oh my god, it's so real. And then it has the I don't know how to read lens sizes, but what is it? It's the 16x50 lens, I believe. But oh my god, it looks so great. Let me see if I can put the battery in it, or like will it turn on. I probably need to charge it, but let's just see. So the battery is down there. Oh, okay, just flip open. Oh, I don't have a memory card. Oh man, I need to find that other memory card that I have. Oh no, it doesn't turn on because it needs to be charged. But this is it, guys. I'm so excited to start vlogging. Wow. Well, I guess that's it for my unboxing, you guys. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more vlogs, let me know what type of vlogs you want me to see or want me to do. Let me know what type of vlogs you guys want me to do. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. This is my after look. I really like how this came out. Like, did I not slay or not?